Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is our jasmine plant. This is a flowering plant which produces small flowers but has beautiful fragrance. Many people ask questions such as how do we grow it? There are two ways to grow this plant. First is by seeds. You can collect the seeds from your plants and then you can easily grow your plants from those seeds. Or else you can do it by stem cutting. Just cut a stem from the plant you already have and then plant it. You can apply some aloe vera in the tip of the plant so that it can grow roots faster. And the best time to plant your own jasmine plant is in the rainy season, which is right now. This is a plant that we recently planted from seeds. Here my mom is removing all the dead and damaged leaves from the plants. She's also doing a little bit of pruning so that this plant can have lateral branchings. There's only one problem in this monsoon season though. That is waterlogging. Waterlogging leads to root rot in which eventually our plant dies. So make sure to always check the drainage holes of the plants. And do not leave any water stagnant around the soil. Also make sure to remove all the weeds timely, as they take most of the nutrients that we give from the fertilizers to our plant. Here before the flowering, my mom already gave some fertilizers. Here before flowering, you can give potassium, phosphorus and magnesium rich fertilizers. For instance, you can give dried banana peel, dried eggshells, etc. And after flowering, my mom gave liquid fertilizers except of water, such as dilute curd, dilute bioenzyme and rice water. And just like this, my mom got many flowerings in her plant. I suggest that you should also keep one jasmine plant in your garden because its prettiness and fragrance will enhance your garden. We have earlier uploaded many videos about jasmine plant. So if you wish to, you can watch them. Also, are you enjoying our short videos? If you are, then make sure to leave a comment down below. That's all for today. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.